It's time, baby. It's time, gang, gang. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time.
Yeah.
It's time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's good, gang? You see the fucking vibes, baby. You know what type of time we on. You know what type of time we on. Got setup number one. Boom. 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 Got the games in the garage. Hell yeah. Sheesh.
I can't seem to keep myself from falling, from falling, from falling. You can't admit everything that you did.
It's goofy.
You see the fucking vibes?
We throwing one up for a lot of things, bro.
Man, we throwing one up, bro. We throwing one up for a lot, man. All right, what are we really cheersing to? First of all, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Cheers to the Boofy gang.
Wait, I gotta get into the first.
Cheers to the first retreat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cheers, gang. Cheers, gang.
Salute.
Yes, sir. 2024, man. You know how we're doing it. Wait till 2025.
This is what we needed right here.
This what we needed, boy.
Fucking hard, long nights on the live, 7 hours doing music reviews, listening to a bunch of shitty BandLab mixes. This is what we needed, man.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Shout out to the community.
You got a problem with my BandLab mixes?
Yeah, we got a problem with your BandLab mixes. Yo, Treyboy, what you plan to get out of the retreat, Brody?
Shit, bro, I'm finna level up in this bitch.
Finna level up in this bitch. Hey, hold on. No, I'm not with it. No, I'm not with it. Yo, J-Ro, what you plan to get out of this retreat, Brody?
Like the free games or whatever at the same time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that was the only time we
Furka, what you trying to get out of this retreat? A fucking vacation? A vacation?
I'm super hyped to meet the community, man.
This is a good one.
I'm super hyped to cook up with the people we've been listening to and reviewing.
Yes, sir.
I need a vacation too. Not gonna
Yes,
lie.
sir. All right, Air Fryer, what you plan on doing while we're here on this retreat?
I'm gonna go ahead and put in that work.
I'll give them the mall. Like, hey, come here, no!
All right, what's this one for? For your birthday?
Hey, Tony's birthday and, no.
Yes, sir.
Adrian, yes, sir.
Cheers, gang.
In my line, you gotta be on point of eyes. They hit that check me. This shit get stress free when you bless G and you win.
What we on, boys? Yeah, what we on, boys? We sliding some shit?
Sell a mink coat to a damn animal type shit, bro.
Sell a mink coat back to a mink?
What's good?
What we on, boys?
Recording, bro.
Song number what? 5, 6, 7?
Something like that. Day 2.
Oh, yeah.
Day 2. Cheers, gang.
Yes, sir.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers to the camera.
You see what we on, 0? What we on, 0? We in the Minions room
Oh, shit.
with the Minion speakers. You see what type of time we on, 0? You see the vibes? Big grabber on the neck. Big grabber in the pocket, baby. Stop playing. Nothing out of pocket, man. You see how we come in?
That Blanco.
You see how we come in, boy? It's just- Mom said turn on the ruckus. Mom said turn up the ruckus. Alright, man. Big shout out to Uni, man. Big shout out to Uni. Big shout out to Uni. Alright. 2024 Boofy Gang. 2024 Boofy Gang retreat, man. Let's go, Ferg. Man, yeah, Ferg. Trey. Everybody. Cheers, man. Pour up. Just another day, man. Just another day. Cheers.
No matter how loud you scream, they ain't hearing your voice. Childhood trauma, too busy looking for joy. Now you never satisfied.
Beach. You know what we doing? We living, man. You know what the fuck we doing?
Low one-on-one view.
Oh, you got the POV action?
Oh,
You saw what we on? You saw what we on?
I don't know if this is, I have no idea if it's gonna sound good or not. I have no idea.
What we on, P Cash?
Man, we chilling. You at the retreat, making some heat.
We getting set up in Hogwarts?
I just need their beat, set that up, get that chord from 0, plug that shit all in.
I'm about to text him right now. Watch this, turn it on. Hey, whole lot of grabber gang shit, baby. Come on. Whole lot of grabber gang shit.
Falling in hard, yeah, boy, me already on the junkie, hit the work, he come. I beat my pockets, got a lump, and stay with the bands like I'm Donnie, no Trump. And always smile on the front, it's about shoot first, but I still got a button.
I feel like Tebow got stuck in the store. Counted out the recount when I'm bored. In the UK, I'm swinging my sword. Got the Concords, I'll put you in black and white. Front court, next game like I'm Spike. If you want more, then I'm taking a flight. To the plug's house, I'll be back tonight.
You tried to paint the picture, you owned it from the start, yeah. You stabbed a knife inside my heart, yeah. Been trying to turn up the city, turn my whole team to committee. Been trying to get what you
I never seen that. Oh, I left my phone down here? Yeah. Yeah, no, I was
We're cooking at Hogwarts. You know what I'm about to get on. You know what I'm about to get on. I'm finna come cook up in here with J-Ro. Take 100 of J-Ro trying to do the same bar. All right, let's go. You know, you guys ever seen that commercial where the fucking where it's the grandpa and he's like trying to say crispy, crunchy, whatever the fuck. You know what I'm talking about? He says like 100 times in a row wrong, and they're like crispy, crunchy.
Hey, record this.
Changed up.
I'm gonna get it now.
After everything I've been through, I still never changed up.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Please don't say change.
I got it. You're gonna record the one good take, right?
All right, yeah, we gotta get the one take. You ready? Don't do it again for the people. It'll be on camera.
Dude, I still never changed up.
Yep.
Please do that.
Yep. You ready?
Remember it now before we jump you.
I still never changed up.
All right, let's go. This is the man who can only record, not into the mic. Let's go. You ready? All right, let's go.
And after everything I've been through, I ain't ever changed up. Okay, I
You
got
gotta
it.
no, you gotta do it. You gotta do it like.
And after everything I went through,
Yeah,
I
but you
still
gotta get the
never
after part right,
changed up.
I will beat your ass.
Changed up. And after everything I've been through, I
Yeah.
still never changed
Exactly
up.
like that. You see how you exactly.
Bro, come on.
You see how you space that
Why'd it go out?
after.
You gotta start it
everything
sooner.
I
You gotta
went
start it
through,
sooner with the
All right, ready?
recording.
Keep those as 4.
Ready?
After everything.
3, 2, 1, action.
You
I'm
gotta-
gonna beat
you
his
gotta
ass.
do it
I'm
as-
gonna beat his ass.
After everything I went through. After everything I went through,
And
I
after
still never
everything,
changed up.
Oh, I never fuck up like this. I never.
All right, we're good. We're locking in, twin. We're locking in. Yep, I got it set up.
I still never changed up.
Nope. Nope. Oh, yes, bro. Yo, this shit's lit.
I still never changed up.
I hate this dude,
Yo,
bro.
this motherfucker's
He
lit.
keeps getting it right when he's not recording, bro. Yo, this is crazy. 3, 2, and...
Everything I've been through, I still never changed up. Oh my god, bro.
Yo! Bro, we just want to get this take done.
Myself off, bro.
We just want to get this take done.
Everything.
This motherfucker is lit right now, bro. You see this motherfucker's eyes, dude? He ain't even high, bro. He's just lit as fuck. He had too many Trulies.
He threw us so never changed up.
All right, yeah. How can you do it now, but not on? All right, you ready?
You do it off the
You
mic,
ready?
not on the mic.
You ready?
Yo, can you just do it with no beat or anything? I'll just say it and you line it up.
Nah, cause the timing. Nah, cause the timing's gonna be
Can't
off.
do that. I
You
gotta grab
ready?
me a drink. Hold on, wait till I.
Alright.
Wait till I.
Yo,
You
grab
guys,
me.
you guys don't want to miss the golden drink?
You want a drink too?
Truly.
You don't want to miss the golden drink? No, you can't. I'm not recording you if you keep drinking. I'm not recording. I'm not recording you if you keep drinking.
I'm straight up not fucked up.
No. But we gotta get these takes and then you can drink.
All right, yeah.
I'm working.
I'll put it on the desk.
Yeah. We working. If
It's
you
not gonna hit me that fast.
no. Yeah, but you already hit the. I'm worried about the last one that hit you, brother. Not this one. Not the next one. All right, you ready?
Everything I've been through, I still never changed up.
That's hard, and that's all we gotta do.
Everything I've been through, I still never changed up.
Wow. All it took was him stepping out the room. He put the headphones down like, mic drop, I'm done. You still got 2 more bars or some shit, motherfucker? Yo, that was funny as fuck, J-Ro. I'm happy we caught that moment. That shit's lit. Yeah, you're sliding. Say what you're saying. Yeah, he's about to slide this shit.
I told you.
Come on, let's go. Come from the bottom, I'm stepping in Prada, I wanna be proud of me. I'm not turning on 100, no turning on 100 without an esteem. Come on, what's up? Louis and told, just leave me alone. Should I meditate? Give me some peace.
Hard. You never meditated a day in your life, have you?
Meditate a day.
I can tell.
Nobody knows.
Cash. This shit sounds hard, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get it, I got it.
Wake up one morning and everything changed. Can't tell me anything about where we came from. It's a lifestyle you want to taste of.
I'm stepping in Prada, I wanna be proud of me. Louis and told, just leave me alone. I meditate, give me some peace.
You told me you never would have changed. I keep on wanting to put my way. You would never tell the right. You would have been me every time.
I don't wanna wait for you.
You've been telling me you need some time. You would never.
What's up, dog?
Yo, Furco, when you locking in with 0? Yeah, we need to get 2 beats out of him today. My shit and your shit. We gotta put that boy to work. What we on, Cash? Day 2. Day 2, baby. Fucked up.
You just cutting pizza? What? You just cutting pizza?
Yeah, what you know about that New York pizza?
Hey, play that shit, pussies.
Can't change the color.
And she died with the cream. I like Molly with the lace, so I put her on my teeth. And she died with the cream. I like Molly with the meat, so I put her on my teeth. And she died with the cream. I like Molly with my meat, so I put her on my teeth.
Get the camera on the beat.
I died with the cream. I like Molly with the links, so I put her on my team. She like the way I taste, baby. Simon for the waist. She all up in my space, waiting all up in my face. Had to get you out of the way.
Wait, I know BB. Simon, she do what I say. And I ride with the Drake like I'm beefing with teeth. And they eat it off easy. I choke through the night, vision darker than Steve. I pull up to the light with the switch, it gets steamy. He say he want smoke, call up, grab it, get leafy. He say he want smoke, call up, grab it, leave him leaking. Off the
Oh, you want the keys too, Ferg? Oh, yeah. We lit. Me, this shit left as memories, don't let it go. That would be hard. I don't want this shit left as memories, don't let it go. Would be tough.
We got snow.
It's in G, so everything. There's only one chart. That's why everything else.
Music theory with no music theory. I love it. I'll be on the same tip, bro. I don't know shit about music theory.
It'd be dope if he was on like some. Yeah, like yeah.
That shit would go hard.
Yup. Yeah, that gives it more that pop-ish guitar solo.
And then you switched up on me. Never had nobody like you till I lost it. But then you switched up on me. And my heart started changing. The way I needed love and needed closure. Trying to hear what you need, come a little closer. I started hoping for the bigger picture.
You actually so why you changing? Cause my heart was breaking. And you went over there laughing.
No, you split this, Cash. You fucking split this.
And this is a tornado kick or Autobahn.
Can you pick the ceiling?
Just like that, but
Oh, my phone died.
Jump up and kick the ceiling.
I can't jump and kick this. Where's a G or D?
You gotta do that high shit that you did earlier.
Yeah. Yeah. Had it earlier, man.
I got it on reference here. I'll show you it. You getting fresh, boy? Coming to invade your privacy. Now it's Versi time, baby.
Both you got the headers, you gotta put this on the cam with it.
No, I won't give it up until my body dies. I'ma keep living it up. Only live once, gotta stay up all night. Burn down whole liquor bottle, fucked up on the all night. I'm here when it's season, locked in for whole life. Oh Lord, I keep leaning, thank God I'm alive.
Games we like to play, a little fun for me.
Let's go.
But karma won't let you have me, that's right. You were really bad once, oh yeah, I did.
That shit sounds fire.
Now you can't stay for the night, and I'll make you bad twice.
Let's go, man. You see what we doing, man. Big retreat shit. Having dinner with the gang. Come on. Stop it. Stop it. You know what we on, man. Sit down, Zero. Sit your ass down.
that's why I need these drinks so I can play
How much time she got left on her shit? 3 minutes?
3 minutes or so.
Alright. Alright, y'all, I just want to say I'm super grateful for everybody who pulled up, man. Shit turned out wonderful. There's no problems, there's no tweaks, there's no nothing. Like, everything's going good. We cooking, we chilling. So appreciate everyone pulling up, man. Just wanted to say that. Yes, sir. We did it. Yeah, we did it successful. We didn't have to wait till 2025. We fucking knocked it out. Hey, cheers, gang.
With all of your thoughts attending